Hi, this is James. This is a research presentation on the effects of religious priming concepts on pro-social behavior towards in-group and out-group. It has long been argued that religion has an impact to the different areas of an individual's life. One of these areas is its influence towards pro-social behavior. Pro-social behavior is an action that serves to benefit an individual or a group. In short, pro-social behavior is helping behavior. Several correlational studies indicate that religiosity increases willingness to volunteer, participation in charity, and even among those low-income religious individuals, acts of charity are still observed. In terms of correlational studies, there have been similar results. However, in terms of experimental investigations, there have been mixed results, especially in the context of priming. Priming involves activating related conceptual representations in an individual's memory, which can lead to thinking and behaviors in line with such activated representations. In short, priming is a way to activate one's related memory. Word primes related to religion increased intention to help, increased donation, and even willingness to volunteer. However, there have been instances where religious prime led to more support to suicide attacks and even slightly higher racial prejudice. In general, experimental investigations showed mixed results. There is also the concept of minimal prosociality, wherein religion was found to increase helping when the target of help is an in-group compared to an out-group. In-group and out-group are called social categorization. An in-group is considered to be part of the group based on certain similarities with other group members, whereas an out-group is considered to be not part of the group. Hence, this study aimed to investigate how religious primes influence pro-social behavior in which the target is either an in-group or an out-group. The religious primes were agent, spiritual, and institutional prime. Agent prime refers to an entity known to have divine qualities, such as the word God. Institutional prime refers to the institutional aspect of religion, which includes structure, church, for example. Finally, spiritual primes are concepts related to the sacred. Dove is a good example of spiritual prime. An experiment was conducted to investigate the two factors, namely religious primes and the social categorization of the target of help and its influence in helping behavior. By combining the three primes and the two targets of help, there were 6 conditions in which each participant was randomly assigned into one condition. These conditions are the agent prime with either an in-group or an out-group target of help. In this case, an in-group refers to a student who belongs in the same school with the participant, whereas the out-group does not. An institutional prime with an in-group or out-group target of help, and the spiritual prime with an in-group or out-group target of help. Per session, a maximum of 10 participants under the same condition watched a video clip of a student who needs help in his studies. Thereafter, the experimenters asked the participants to distribute coupons to help the student in need. The number of coupons serves as the measure of prosocial behavior. There were 2 interesting findings. First, participants in the spiritual prime were willing to distribute 2 more coupons compared to those in the agent and institutional prime. This suggests that spiritual prime appears to have activated abstract thinking, which then led to increased engagement in helping. Second, participants were equally willing to help both the in-group and the out-group. This suggests that being exposed to religious primes led to non-biased helping. In conclusion, the study helps clarify the effect of religious primes in helping both the in-group and the out-group. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.